Have you ever created a work of art and you just don't know what goes around it? You reach the edge of your imagination and you need some sort of way to fill in the gaps. Well, in this example from Kami Sorusch, a ChatGPT Head Start certificate holder, you're going to see exactly how he uses Midjourney with Dall-E together to create a work of art. Let's take a look. So Kami, so far, the image that's in the middle, if I'm not mistaken, was actually generated by you using Midjourney.
Exactly.
And then what you're doing now is you are completing parts of the picture that really don't exist right now, but you're using Dall-E to actually fill that in. Is that what you're doing?
Exactly. You can see the borders here from the picture. The picture right here on this space. I created this picture in Midjourney, described in the prompt, a person who's looking more or less like me, who is using a laptop, a computer, etc. So this was the content of the prompt on Midjourney. Midjourney spit out this picture for me, and then I switched over to Dall-E, and I just wanted to make this picture bigger, let's say, yeah. And here, for example, we can see one of your lava lamps, which are now in the picture. But to tell or to show you again what we did, let's create another prompt. And I would like to ask you to tell me what you want to see on the right side of the picture.
I would like to see some very detailed computer monitors showing the prices of cryptocurrencies. Yeah, I think that would be a good, fill-in.
I'm typing this right now, showing the
prices
prices
of cryptocurrencies.
Of cryptocurrencies. So let's see. This is a very short prompt. We just do it because to get very fast the result for this. But the better the prompt, the better what you get from Dall-E, of course. But let's work with this. Let's generate now a picture, and I hope that's not overloaded, because this happens, or this has happened today. The server is quite overloaded.
A lot of people using this.
Yeah, of course.
Interesting.
Ta-da!
Very, very, very exciting. And that did not exist before. That was just added, all generated by Dall-E.
Exactly.
I hope you enjoyed this video and that you learned something in the process. I bring you brand new videos every single week, so make sure to subscribe to this channel. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, I'm George Levy. We're changing the world, one blockchain at a time. See you next time.